Hello there, and welcome to another one in this series that I'm calling Your Grammar Questions Answered, where basically viewers write in with questions about bits of grammar that are puzzling them, and I try to shed some light on what's going on in these particular areas. Today it's a question about the past perfect simple. Someone wrote into me and had this sentence from a workbook that she'd been studying. The sentence was, it was the first time our team had managed to win the race. And the question she asked was, why do you use the past perfect here? Had managed to. Why don't you just say, it was the first time our team managed to win the race? It's a good question, I think. The past perfect is basically used when you're already talking about the past and you want to go further back. Okay? So, you might say something like, I broke my leg skiing last year. It was the third time it had happened. Meaning, before I broke my leg last year, it already happened twice. It had already happened twice. So breaking my leg last year was the third time it had happened. Okay? So it's a way of kind of locating yourself in the past and going further back in the past. And we often use it with this pattern. It was the first time, it was the second time, it was the third time. So imagine there's some kind of race that happens regularly. I don't know, a bit like the Oxford-Cambridge boat race that happens here every year, for example. And one year, one time in the past, your team actually wins this race, okay, for the very first time. So before then, sort of past, more past, your team had never won this, yeah? It had never managed to win this. So the time when you won this, it was the first time that you had managed to win it. By using the past perfect, you're showing that before then, there were lots and lots of unsuccessful attempts to win it. In the same way, you might say, I went to Germany when I was 16, past simple. It was incredibly exciting, past simple, because I'd never been abroad before. Okay, before the time I went to Germany, yeah. You might also say something like, I don't know, I went water skiing a few years ago when I was on holiday in the Mediterranean. I went water skiing in the past simple. It was the first time I'd ever done something like that. So the idea here is, the first time was the time I went water skiing. Before then, no. So you're emphasizing the kind of first timeness. In the same way, we also use a similar structure to talk about the present. So you might say something like, oh, so this is Ethiopian food. This is the first time now I've ever tried this kind of food. Yeah? Or maybe, oh, I'm not sure about eating sushi, I've never eaten raw fish before. This is the first time I've ever tried sushi. Yeah? So again, you're looking back and saying, before now, no. Now, first time. Okay, I hope that's clear. And please feel free to add any extra comments, to ask any extra questions that you may have in the comments section below.